Y'all world, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all, man. I checked this out today on my channel. We gotta talk about this now. I just found out your boy Donald Trump, y'all president, you know what I'm saying, the president of the United States of America, he just suggested to his millions of followers, he just suggested that they ingest disinfectant. Oh! Now, he literally telling y'all to go out there and drink some bleach.
That probably some of you are thinking of if you're totally into that world, which I find to be very interesting. So supposing we hit the body with a tremendous, whether it's ultraviolet or just very powerful light, and I think you said that hasn't been checked, but you're going to test it. Brought the light inside the body, which you can do either through the skin or in some other way.
Boy, if you don't.
And I think you said you're going to test that too. Right, and then I see the disinfectant, where it knocks it out in a minute, 1 minute. And is there a way we can do something like that? By injection inside or almost a cleaning, because you see it gets on the lungs and it does a tremendous number of the lungs. So it'd be interesting to check that. So that you're going to have to use medical doctors with. But it sounds interesting to me. So we'll see. But the whole concept of the light, the way it kills it in 1 minute, that's pretty powerful.
This goes to show you that a lot of our authority figures and officials, these people in power, they don't know what the fuck they talking about. Now, I just hope y'all have a level of discernment, a level of consciousness, a level of awareness out there that y'all know don't drink no fucking bleach.
Hey, yo,
don't
what
go
the fuck?
and ingest no Lysol. Don't try to put the disinfectant, you know what I'm saying, spray it in your mouth like some damn mouth fresh, you know what I'm saying, getting it in your system.
Really, nigga?
The toxicity, I don't even know how to say that word, you know what I'm saying, it's too many S's and Z's. The toxicity level of Lysol, bleach, that shit can kill you, bro. Oh! Like, I'm not the president, you know what I'm saying, but I'm a voice for my people. I'm telling y'all already know, black people, man, y'all already know. Ain't nobody about to drink no bleach, man.
Hey, yo, what the
Nobody
fuck?
about to go out here and drink no disinfectant. Nobody out here injecting disinfectant. I hope y'all didn't. But, you know, I thought this was crazy because I know in this world, you know, this world is all about percentages. You know what I'm saying? He put that message out there. It's a small group of people that did that. It's a small group of people who went and immediately, as soon as let's just try it. Let's just give me a tad bit of it. Just give me a little bit of it. Just put a little bit in the cup. I'm telling you, it was, if he told that to 100 million people, if 100 million people got that message, you know what I'm saying, at least 0.5% did that shit. I'm telling you right now, off top. 0.5%. I ain't gonna even say 1%, you know, I ain't gonna say no 10%, 20, 50%. 0.5% did that shit off top. No cap, man. They did that shit. It's like antibiotics good. They used to be like, antibiotics good. But if you take motherfucking antibiotics, it kill the good bacteria and the bad bacteria. Of course, Lysol and the bleach kill it. But you trying to put something in there that's gonna kill everything. So, hey man, it's your boy YON WORLD, man. So, yeah. I'm about to post this clip. I just hope y'all are having a level of discernment, because I know, you know, it's crazy times right now. It's crazy in the world. And, you know, people just going off of what the news, anything the news say, that's their source. You know, my source, I trust the sources that's banned. People that get banned, people that's, you know what I'm saying, silenced, and, you know, the underground sources of media, you know what I'm saying, David Ikes of the world, you know what I'm talking about, like the Previ Mohans of the world, you know. I'm into the people who getting blocked off, you know, the Dr. Sebis, you know what I'm saying, the people they don't want you to know about, you know what I'm saying, the people they had to murk off, the Nicholas Teslas, you know, that's what I'm, you know, on. Like, I ain't, don't be out here listening to these presidents, these government officials. These niggas don't know nothing. I'm gonna tell you this right now. This lockdown is going to last longer than 90 days. I'm gonna tell you this right now. China, they was on lockdown for 76 days exactly, right? We only been on this shit for about a good 30 days. I'm telling you, they keep doing incremental, you know. Like at first we were supposed to get off lockdown right now. We were supposed to be off lockdown right now by the end of the month, April 29th. And they extended it, now it's all of May. And they gonna keep giving you increments. They don't wanna tell you the whole year is just off because it's just gonna send people into a panic frenzy. So they just inching you. They giving you a little bit at a time, you know what I'm saying? They ain't trying to give you the whole loaf of bread. They gonna give you a slice at a time. And then before you know it, you're gonna be full of shit, you know what I'm saying? And then you're gonna be like, you'll be bagged up, you know what I'm saying? And then you just gonna have to shit on these niggas. So, you know, Donald Trump, if you watching this and the feds, man, hey, don't be out there taking no bleach. Don't be out there ingesting, you know what I'm saying, nothing in your body that's gonna cause bodily harm. Don't do none of that. You know what I'm saying? We not promoting none of that. We not with none of that. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, but that's my video on this. I'm gonna leave this video short, you know, but all in all, don't be out here fucking around, man. It's your boy YON WORLD.